are snapping to determining which seeding media is best for germinating and growing seeds into seedlings using the scientific method. In this video, I'll review the steps to the scientific method as we set up the experiment. Hang in there until the end when I'll share the link for a free download for a scientific method foldable and a scientific notebook for this experiment. Extra special additions to today's session are 3 scientists who are joining me from their homeschool to help gather data.
I need your help because the toughest part of growing things in hydroponics is starting the seeds.
They've had challenges starting seeds for their hydroponic system, and together we are going to gather data by changing just one variable, the seeding media. Which seeding media will be the best one for our pelleted Genovese aroma basil seeds? Will it be Rockwool cubes? Will it be cotton balls or Oasis cubes? Let's develop a plan for our experiment using the steps of the scientific method. Step 1, identify a problem or what you want to find out. We've identified the problem and we've determined what we want to find out. Now we can move on to step 2 and develop a hypothesis. Let me think about what I know before I write my hypothesis. I've successfully used Rockwool cubes to germinate and mature seedlings and seeds for over 3 years. And I've been successful with those. I've tried Oasis cubes, but they didn't work well for me. However, they've worked really well for other farmers, and they recommend them. I have no experience at all starting a seed in cotton balls, but if cotton balls work, I can get a cotton ball just about anywhere. Step number 3 in the scientific method, identify the materials that are needed. Which will be dependent variables and all be the same, and which will be independent variables. Which one is an independent variable for our experiment? If you said the seeding media, you're right.
You'll need pH balanced water between 6.0 and 6.5. You'll need 3 different types of seeding media. I'm using Rockwool cubes, Oasis cubes, and cotton balls. You'll need some type of grow tray with a lid. You'll need a place to let the seeding media, after it has been soaked in the water, you'll need a place to let it drain for approximately an hour. And you'll need some seeds. I'm using aroma basil pelleted seeds.
Moving on to step number 4 of the scientific method. What are the procedures we are going to use to conduct this experiment?
We're putting all of the seeding media into the pH balanced water, and we're letting it soak for approximately 5 minutes. The seeding media is ready to go onto the drying rack. Do you have your grow tray? We're going to take and put one type of seeding media in one column, the next seeding media in the next column, and the next seeding media in the next column. That's 3 columns with 4 in each column. That's multiplication. That's it? No, we have to put the seeds in there. We're using pelleted seeds, so they're a little bit easier to maneuver. Grab tweezers. And 1 basil seed goes in each. Why put the dome on top of the grow tray? Help keep the moisture in. And that's also an indication that there is enough moisture in the seeding media to continue germinating and growing the seedling. The lid on. And we will check back in 24 hours.
Step number 5 is to record and analyze the data. We need to keep a record of all of our observations. That you can do in the scientific notebook for this experiment. My homeschool scientists and I were going to check 3 times a day, and we decided that once a day would be enough, and that it would be best if we checked back in a week so that we had more results to share. Step number 6 is to draw conclusions and share findings.
What are you most excited about? What are you most excited about with this experiment? Okay, putting in those seeds. What are you excited about, Kaya? What are you excited about?
I'm excited about seeing which one works.
Seeing which one works?
As scientists and hydroponic farmers, we're looking forward to observing, recording, and drawing conclusions based on data we collect. Here's the link for the free scientific method foldable and the free science notebook that will help you get started in this science experiment. Germinating seeds is one of the most challenging parts of growing plants of any kind. We need your data. Are you ready to begin, fellow scientists? Which seeding media do you think will work best? Together, we could change the gardening world one seed and one seeding media at a time. I love that. My homeschool scientists and I have already begun and are ready to share our results with you in a few weeks.
Thank you. I'll see you in a few days.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
As always, happy hydroponics.